5 Best Swiffer Mop Reviews. Number 1. Swiffer Sweeper Cleaning Starter Kit. Finding an easy-to-use swab that offers sweeping and mopping at the same time is challenging. After thorough research, we found the best deal for you: Swiffer Sweeper Cleaning Starter Kit. The 2-in-1 mop comes with a 360-degree swivel head. It means you can sweep and mop hard-to-reach areas like under the couch. Besides, cloth grippers of this keep the pads in place for ensuring minute brushing workflows. It ensures that you tidy up the surface with the cloth, not with the aluminum body that may scratch the surface. Therefore, it comes with several pads to pick up dust, dirt, and pet hair from the surface. The only drawback we come across is its refill pads. You need to dispose of the microfiber pads after every use, which is expensive. Number 2. Swiffer WetJet Hardwood and Floor Spray Mop Cleaner. If you look for a high-efficient mop that is compatible with every hard surface, then this WetJet mop is just for you. The only lack we find compared to the top pick is the 360-degree swivel head. Otherwise, it comes with every feature to beat our top pick. The starter kit includes heavy-duty mopping pads and a bottle of cleaning solution. The solution helps to dissolve the dirt and dust, while the cloth picks them up and removes them efficiently. The drawback of this swab is its disposable pads. You need to change the cloth every time you use it. However, you can easily overcome this issue by getting reusable microfiber cloth from Amazon. Dual spray nozzle and Absorb Plus lock strip are two noteworthy features of this sweeper. The dual spray nozzle lets you break up tough messes. Number 3. Swiffer Mop-Standard Mop with Starter Kits. Choosing a lightweight sweeper that offers to tidy up tight spaces is not an easy task. But our editorial team found this best deal for you after thorough research: Swiffer Mop. You can use both wet and dry cloths to dissolve dirt and trap dust to suck away them from crevices and grout lines. Remarkably, the dry cloth allows you to hand dust the furniture and electronics. The sweet part of this mop is its simple storage system. You can break the mop handle into 4 parts. In return, you can't only store it conveniently but also use it at the utmost comfort by adjusting its length. Number 4. Swiffer Sweeper 2-in-1 Mop Broom Floor Cleaner Starter. At number 4, we bring Swiffer Sweeper 2-in-1 Mop for its thick fiber cloth. The starter kit includes both dry and wet refills to take on dirt, dust, and pet messes. The sweeper is enough to handle a small apartment. You don't require a bucket or rug, as the disposable dry and wet cloths let you pick up messes from grime. However, you can use a rug to take away dirt evenly. Therefore, this is a super lightweight sweeper. You can lug it around with ease and deep clean every corner of your home. Even the old citizens can use this and move it from here to there. The only con of this sweeper is it includes only 2 dry and a wet sheet. Another drawback of this sweeper is it fails to cover large rooms. Thick dry cloth is the best component of this swab that leads us to rank it number 4. It complies with your flooring type and grout lines to take on and lock dirt for a minute tidying up. Number 5. Swiffer Sweep and Vac Long Lasting Rechargeable. We bring Swiffer Sweep and Vac for its ultimate scrubbing ability, mobility, and long battery life. The sweeping dry refills let you take on dirt, dust, and pet hair from the crevices. On the other hand, the filter of it also allows you to trap messes to brush up the base evenly. On top of that, the lightweight design of this sweeper makes it easy to lug it around for brushing up tight spaces. Even your child can effortlessly move it everywhere to tidy up the surface. Besides, the long battery life allows you to wash out a room without interrupting the cleansing workflows. The only issue we found is its handle. It would be best if it has a thick handle to hold it easily. Also, it will be better if the on-off switch could move further from the handle.